Hey guys, this is Trupti and welcome back to my YouTube channel all about civil, and today I am going to tell you the detailed procedure of radiation method of surveying. So please watch video till end, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet then please do subscribe. So without delay, let's start the video. There are the four methods of the plane table survey: for radiation, then intersection, traversing and resection. And today I am going to explain you the radiation method in detail, okay, with the help of this diagram. So what we have to do first mark the station point O on the ground, okay, and then center and level the instrument on the station point O. After centering and leveling is done, mark the north direction using the compass, okay. After marking the north direction using the leaded, placing it on the point O, sight all the stations, that is that is A, B, C, D and E. Sight all these stations and mark the red along the fiducial edge of the leaded, that will be OA, OB, OC, OD and OE. Mark the rays like this, okay, and after marking these rays, measure the distances with the help of the tape. Measure all the distances from that point on the ground with the help of the tape, and that will be named as the OA, OB, OC, OD and OE in the capital, okay. And these distances we will mark on the sheet, such as small OA, small OB, OC, OD and OE. And after marking this point, we will join all these points and it will be look like then traverse. In this way we complete the radiation method of the plane table survey. We will see some significance and applications of the radiation process. This is the easiest method in plane tabling, and it is used when all the details are visible and accessible from one instrument station. Means all the details should be visible from the station point which we have selected, okay. The ground should be level and smooth. Distances should be small so that we can measure it with the tape. So okay, we will meet in the next video.